Welcome to the UniFi Talk Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in UniFi Talk. Before you set up your UniFi system, please reach out to Voxtelesys support as they'll need to make some changes to your account to match the formatting of the UniFi PBX. The support phone number is 701-929-9797, and the support email is support@voxtelesys.com. From the UniFi Talk dashboard, click on the Settings icon. Under UniFi Talk Settings, click on System Settings. Click on the Add Third-Party SIP Provider button. Fill in Voxtelesys in the provider name field. Next, add custom fields by clicking on Add Field. Add the following fields: realm, password, register, username, retry_seconds, and expire-seconds. Click on Done when you're finished. You'll now add values to the fields you created. The realm will be the domain that's provided by Voxtelesys. The password field will also be provided by Voxtelesys. Next, set register to true. The username will be the authorization or username provided by Voxtelesys. Finally, set retry_seconds to 30 and expire-seconds to 60. You'll need to select which countries you want Voxtelesys to route through. By default, your Voxtelesys account is open to the United States and Canada, but you can add more calling countries by contacting Voxtelesys support. Otherwise, just select the United States and Canada from the drop-down and click on Save. The final step is to add DID numbers via manually importing a number or via a TXT file. If you do not have a phone number, we recommend purchasing a DID through the Voxtelesys portal. We have a guide on that topic, which will be in the link below. The format of the phone number or numbers should look like this. To add numbers via a TXT file, make sure each number is on a separate line. If you wish, you can also add an IP address range to specify which addresses are granted access. If you choose to do so, fill in the CIDR network address and the subnet mask. When you're done, click on Add, then click on Apply Changes. If you wish to modify your configuration, hover over it and click on Modify. You'll see all the settings you previously configured and can then modify it. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in UniFi Talk. Check back for future videos on UniFi Talk as well as other helpful guides.